50 most common words in English. All the children did their homework. And she jumped, jogged, and danced in gym class. Boy, the little boy asked his mother if she could buy him candy. Book. The college student had to read a 500-page book. Call. The girl called out to her brother so he would wait for her. Car. He drove the car from school to work. Chair. My mother is the only one allowed to sit in the big chair in the living room. Children. The children didn't listen to what their parents told them. City. New York is the biggest city in the United States. Dog. My dog likes to play with horses. Door. The students rushed through the classroom door. Enemy. The hero of the story killed his enemy with a sword. End. The end of the book was a happy one. Enough. We have already had enough food today. Friend. The girl played with her friend in the yard. Father. The father picked up his child when she started crying. Go. We go to school every day. Girl. The girl dropped her school books on the ground. Good. My mother said that if I'm good, she will take me to the movies. Food. Starving people don't have enough food to survive. Here, I could hear my brother and sister arguing in the other room. House. My friend lives in the biggest house on the street. Inside. The inside of the house was warm and cozy. Laugh. The children laughed after the clown made a joke. Listen. We listen to music because we like to dance. Man. The man was much taller than his son. Name. I never liked my name growing up. Never. I am never getting back together with my boyfriend. New. My mother bought me a new doll for Christmas. Next. Let's go to the next question. Noise. There was so much noise at the party, the neighbors called the police. Often. My teacher gets mad because I often forget my homework. Pair. I like the new pair of shoes my sister bought for me for my birthday. Pick. I picked the cupcake with vanilla frosting. Play. I like to play football with my brother. Room. The room at the end of the hall is the coldest in the building. See. I see clouds in the sky, which must mean it will rain soon. Sell. I am going to sell my surfboard for $50 because it's time for a new one. Sit. The teacher told the children to sit on the carpet. Speak. I speak too loudly sometimes. Smile. I smile when my brother tells jokes. Sister. My parents took my sister and me to the circus. Woman. That woman was our new school principal. Think. I think all pets should have a home. Then, I opened the refrigerator, then I ate some food. Walk. I walk home from school every day. Water. If animals don't have water, they will die. Work. I work as a teacher because I like children. Write. I have to write 3 essays in English. Yes. Yes, I'm here, the student said when the teacher called her name.